ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರಗುರು ಚರಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Sri Nagatihalli Ramesh was received the first inaugural Jeevanadi National Award in the presence of eminent dignitaries. In sacred remembrance of Jagajoti Sri Basaveshwara and Mahachetana Sri Maridevaru Shivyogi Mahaswami, the first inaugural Jeevanadi National Award has been conferred upon Sri Nagatihalli Ramesh, a poet, multifaceted thinker, organizer, film director, socio-political activist, and agriculturist. Sri Nagatihalli Ramesh was born on June 1, 1967, in Nagatihalli village of Nagamangala Taluk, Mandya district, to Rangappa and Kempava. Having grown up amidst the stark realities of rural poverty, he transformed his lived experiences into a force of intellectual and creative strength. A student of science and later a law graduate, he emerged as an exceptional orator, winning accolades in over 150 debate competitions. His creativity has flowed across diverse domains. In the 1990s, his monthly magazine Spardha Prapancha introduced a new wave of thought in its field. He also made significant contributions to the printing and publishing industry, opening new avenues of possibility. His areas of engagement include short films, documentaries, publishing, environmental thought, agriculture, cinema, and committed political involvement. His poetry collection Samudra Mattu Mail, The Sea in the Rain, translated into English by Ankur Betigeri and into Hindi as Sagar or Barish by Girish Jakapure, stands as a landmark work that evokes fresh sensibilities in Kannada literature. His poems have been translated into several Indian and international languages and are included in university curricula. Reflecting profound humanism and social concern, his works echo the compassion of the Buddha. His lyrical albums, Ava, Tili, Pada Charita, Jivijivada Hadu, Bayala Kannadi, Manada Menchu, Olatu, Malekavu, and others, have left a distinctive imprint on Kannada cultural expression. Several of his works have reached global audiences: Berugalitta, The Roots, Tili, Pyo, and Jivijivada Hadu, Song of Every Life. The latter has also been translated into Tamil as Uiran Uirupatta. Notably, Berugalitta has received 16 international awards. For his contributions to art, literature, culture, environmental awareness, and social engagement, he has traveled extensively across India and abroad. His life's work has been honored with numerous awards, including the Karnataka State Youth Award, State Environmental Award, Kuvempu Sahityaratna Award, Vishwatma Award, Kannada Kamva B.M. Shri Award, Kuvempu Bendre Jivala Award, Praja Pratibha Award, Nadachetana Award, Nadaprabhu Kempegoda International Award, Karnataka Praja Ratna Award, and many more. Along with his life partner SMT. M. Shobha Ramesh, he has received the Jiva Sangatya Award and the Kuvempu Ideal Couple Award. Recently, the government of Orissa honored him with the Kalinga Vishwachetana National Award in recognition of his literary, cultural, and social contributions. On this auspicious occasion, the Sri Durdandeshwara Mehant Shivyogi Mutt has instituted the first inaugural Jeevanadi National Award in memory of Jagajoti Sri Basaveshwara and Mahachetana Sri Maridevaru Shivyogi, and it is with great pleasure that this honor is being conferred upon Sri Nagatihalli Ramesh. With blessings. On this auspicious occasion, the Sri Durdandeshwara Mehant Shivyogi Mutt has instituted the first inaugural Jeevandi National Award in memory of Jagajoti Sri Basaveshwara and Mahachetana Sri Maridevaru Shivyogi, and it is with great pleasure that this honor is being conferred upon Sri Nagatihalli Ramesh. With blessings, Dr. Sri Trinetra Mehant Shivyogi Swamiji Peethadhiksha Sri Durdandeshwara Mehant Shivyogi Mutt Sri Kshetra Baby Mutt, Baby Village, Chinakurali Hobli, Pandavapura Taluk, Mandya District and Chandravana Ashrama, Paschimavahini, Srirangapatna, Mandya District, Karnataka. See the special report of DKS Times.
ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿ 50,000 ರೂಗಳ ಚೆಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀಮಠದಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇವರ ಈ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಲಭಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ದೇವರು ಅನುಗ್ರಹಿಸಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನಾಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ
ಮರಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹದ್ದು, ಆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗೂ ಮಹತ್ವ, ಅವರಿಗೂ ಮಹತ್ವ. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಹತ್ವ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಭಾಜನರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯ ಮಹತ್ವವನ್ನ ಗೌರವ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಸಂಗತಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಕ್ಕೇರಿ ಮಠದ ಶ್ರೀಗಳು ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ದಾಸೋಹಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರಾಗಿರುವಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಗುರು ಚರಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳು ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹಲವು ಸೇವೆಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಒಂದು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಲಿ.